Welcome to Lecture 3.1, where we turn chaos into clarity with AI-powered weekly planning. Let's start with a familiar feeling. It's Friday, you're staring at your screen, and you can't quite answer the question, what did I actually get done this week? That's not just frustrating, it's demotivating. And often the culprit isn't your effort, it's the lack of a flexible, low-friction system that keeps you on track without adding to your mental load. Most planning methods fail because they're either too rigid or too time-consuming to maintain. You get hyped on Monday, bogged down by Tuesday, and by Friday the plan is buried under emails and meetings. But what if you had a coach to break down your goals and a smart assistant to help you track them? That's what this lesson is all about. We'll turn ChatGPT into your productivity coach and Notion into your personal command center. This duo can help you start every Monday with a focused plan and end each Friday with a sense of momentum. Here's how we'll do it. First, goal breakdown. The truth is, goals fail not because they're wrong, but because they're vague. Launch a website. Sounds productive, but without clear subtasks, it's just a headline with no story underneath. Here's the magic prompt to fix that. Act as a productivity coach. I want to achieve goal this week. Break it into 5 to 7 concrete tasks, each under 2 hours, ordered by priority. The key here is task granularity. That means each task should be small enough to complete in one sitting. Think write homepage copy instead of do website content. Once you run that prompt, you'll get a list of clear, doable actions. That list is your weekly game plan. Next step. Bring it into Notion. Duplicate the Smart Planner template provided with this course and paste your task list into the inbox table. The smart part: the columns in Notion will autofill details like effort level, impact score, and due date, so you're not just dumping tasks into a void, you're organizing them into a system that thinks with you. Think of Notion like your digital Kanban board, except it updates itself as long as you keep feeding it AI-generated tasks.
Now, let's make that plan smart with AI-based prioritization. Here's where ChatGPT can act like a decision coach. For each task you've listed, ask ChatGPT to rate. Effort on a scale of 1 to 3. 1 equals quick, 3 equals heavy. Impact on a scale of 1 to 3. 1 equals minor, 3 equals major benefit. Then, have it calculate a score based on impact minus effort. The result? High impact, low effort tasks float to the top. These are your quick wins, the ones you should hit first. This isn't just about doing more, it's about doing the right things faster. This approach is similar to the ICE framework from Agile teams: impact, confidence, and effort. But here, we're simplifying it to get you going fast. Now, let's keep you on track with accountability prompts. Set up 2 quick check-ins using Notion reminders or trigger them with Zapier. We'll show you how later. Each morning, ask, what's your single most important task today? This sets the tone and aligns your focus. Each evening, check in with, what did you complete? Any blockers? You can even paste your answer into ChatGPT to get a quick recap or motivational nudge. This is like having a fitness tracker for your productivity, one that doesn't just record steps but actually talks back and guides you. And once a week, run a weekly review. Open Notion and compare what you planned versus what you did. Use that insight to adjust next week's goals, because every good system learns and evolves with you. To wrap up, you've learned how to turn vague goals into actionable steps using ChatGPT. You've used Notion to track and visualize your work. You've applied prioritization logic to do the right things first. And you've built an accountability layer that nudges you to stay the course. This weekly system is designed to save you time, reduce decision fatigue, and build consistent momentum, so you stop running in circles and start moving forward week after week. Here's your action plan. Pick a real goal you have for this week. Use the breakdown prompt in ChatGPT. Paste the tasks into your Notion Smart Planner. Set up your morning and evening reminders. Snap a screenshot of your planner.
and post it if you're feeling bold. You're not just planning your week anymore, you're engineering it for success.